Where was he? Where was he?
Where were you? Where were you?
Who is he? Who is he?
Where were we? Where were we?
How was school? How was school?
Where was Marcus? Where was Marcus?
What was it? What was it?
Was it an accident? Was it an accident?
How tall was he? How tall was he?
What was his name? What was his name?
Was Tommy crazy? Was Tommy crazy?
How old was she? How old was she?
Where were you today? Where were you today?
What was the answer? What was the answer?
Why were you there? Why were you there?
How was the party? How was the party?
Was he tall? Was he tall?
How was your day? How was your day?
Where were you last night? Where were you last night?
How long were you in the hospital? How long were you in the hospital?